Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we will briefly look at the sprint goal, which is a commitment to one of the key artifacts in Scrum, the Sprint Backlog. There are a lot of debates around the sprint goal. Some teams consider the sprint goal being the sum of all the items that a team has selected during the sprint planning. So if they deliver every single item, they have met the sprint goal. This is a very output-focused perspective. I personally, together with many other trainers, believe that a sprint goal should always be an outcome, be a result that we want to achieve. And sometimes you achieve that result without delivering every single item that a team has selected. In the latest Scrum Guide, which was published in November 2020, the sprint goal was officially introduced as a commitment to our sprint backlog. For me, this means that you select your sprint backlog items based on the outcome, based on the sprint goal that you have set out. Looking at sprint goals being an outcome also helps a product owner prioritize their product backlog much better. So if you, for example, want to increase the conversion rate on your e-commerce platform, then you can look at initiatives or product backlog items that would support this goal. And you would prioritize them higher up. So when your team goes into sprint planning, the developers can select based on the priorities set all the items that ultimately or hopefully result in achieving the goal of increasing your conversion rate. I hope this brief video gave you a much better understanding of what the sprint goal is and what benefits you get if you communicate it as an outcome, as a result, as something that you want to achieve, rather than an output, which is just the sum of items that a team has selected. I'll see you in our next video.